Question number 30. A square BC plus B square CA plus C square AB divided by A plus B plus C. A square BC plus B square CA plus C square AB. At first, A square BC divided by A equal ABC. Now ABC multiply with A plus B plus C. ABC multiply with A square BC, then multiply with B square CA plus then ABC multiply with C square AB. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Plus A square BC minus A square BC equals 0, plus B square CA minus B square CA equals 0, plus C square AB minus C square AB equals 0. So the required quotient ABC. Question number 31. A square x minus 4ax plus 3ax square divided by a plus 3x minus 4. At first, a square x divided by a equal ax multiply with a plus 3x minus 4, ax multiply with a square x, then ax multiply with 3x plus 3ax square, then ax multiply with minus 4ax. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus a square x minus a square x equals 0, minus 4ax plus 4ax equals 0, plus 3ax square minus 3ax square equals 0. So the required quotient ax. Number 32. 81x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 22x square y square divided by 9x square plus 2xy minus y square. 9x square plus 2xy minus y square. 81x to the power 4 minus 22x square y square plus y to the power 4. At first, 81x to the power 4 divided by 9x square equal 81 divided by 9 equal 9, x to the power 4 divided by x square equal x square. So 9x square multiply with 9x square plus 2xy minus y square. 9x square multiply with 9x square equal 81x to the power 4. Then 9x square multiply with plus 2xy equal 9 to the 18 x cube y. Then 9x square multiply with minus y square equal minus 9x square y square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. plus 81x to the power 4 minus 81x to the power 4 equals 0. Then we can write minus 18x cube y, subtracted value of minus 22x square y square, and plus 9x square y square equal minus 13x square y square, then plus y to the power 4. Now minus 18x cube y divided by 9x square equal minus 18 divided by 9 equal to x cube y divided by x square equal xy. Now minus 2xy multiply with 9x square plus 2xy minus y square. Minus 2xy multiply with 9x square equal minus 18x cube y. Then minus 2xy multiply with plus 2xy equal minus 4x square y square. Then minus 2xy multiply with minus y square equal plus 2x y cube. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus 18x cube y plus 18x cube y equals 0. Subtracted value of minus 13x square y square plus 4x square y square equal minus 9x square y square, then minus 2x y cube, then plus y to the power 4. Now minus 9x square y square divided by 9x square equal minus y square. Now minus y square multiply with 9x square plus 2xy minus y square, that means minus 9x square y square minus multiply plus equal minus 2xy multiply with y square, that means 2xy cube. Then minus y square multiply with minus y square equal plus y to the power 4. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. So minus 9x square y square plus 9x square y square equals 0. Minus 2xy cube plus 2xy cube equals 0. Plus y to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 equals 0. So the required quotient (9x square minus 2xy minus y square).